Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Pur and Barbie makeup collection that just came out. And I picked up the eyeshadow palette, which is the Endless Possibilities palette. I also got the Pur and Barbie highlighter. And I picked up the Pur and Barbie it's called Girl Gloss and Iconic lipstick, and then this is in the shade Legendary. So this is the packaging for the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Here's how the inside looks. And then the back. Here are the shades. This eyeshadow palette retails for $34. And the palette comes with 12 shades. Moving on to the next product is Pur and Barbie highlighter, and this one is called Dream Glow. And it's kind of like the same packaging from the eyeshadow palette, which is really cute, and it has like little gems of like rocks, and this retails for $25. This gloss retails for $16. And here is the lip gloss, the lipstick. The packaging is really pretty. You like push this and it like pops out, and here is the lipstick. And this looks like it has like it's gonna be really glittery, so I'm kind of curious how it's gonna look applied on the lips. And the last item that I picked up were the eyelashes. These retail for $14, and I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. And here is a closer look of the lashes. And these are just called the Signature Barbie lashes. Names. The eyeshadows, they don't have a name, so I'm just gonna go row by row. So here we go. Okay, so this is the first row. The second row. This is the third row. I'm going to go ahead and start the eyeshadow look, and I'm going to zoom you guys in for this. For my transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right here. For my transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right here. When I was swatching the shades, they do feel really creamy. So I'm interested how they're going to apply on. For the next shade, I'm going to use this really pretty pink shade. Take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to put this on the middle of the lid. Now I'm going to use this really nice purple shade, and apply this on top where I just put the concealer. So I really want this to pop. That looks really pretty. Now I'm gonna go in with this really nice purple black shimmery shade, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner and blend it in with this purple shade that we just applied on. The inner corner. And I just want to kind of make the pink pop in a little bit more, since when I apply the darker shade it kind of overpowered it. I'm gonna go back in with the purple shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go clean off all this shadow, and I'm gonna apply on the lashes, and I'll be right back. I am back. I went ahead and popped on my eyelashes, and I did the lower lash line, and I popped in some glitter in the middle of the inner corner. And I used this glitter right here, and the blue shade that I used for my lower lash line was this shade. For the next product, I'm going to move on to the highlighter, and this highlighter is super pretty. It does come with 3 different shades, so this is more like of a bronzy shade. We have like a pinky shade, and then also a champagne goldish shade. I'm probably going to use the like pink golden color. Or actually it looks kind of like silver pink. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this. And that is super pretty. I'm gonna highlight my nose with this. It is really glittery, but it's not like too glittery. If you really don't like glittery eyeshadow highlighter, you probably won't like this, but I really like glittery highlighter. And I'm using this bronzy gold color and putting this over that shade that we just applied, and that is super pretty, you guys. That's really pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. So this is the pink shade right here. That is super pretty. I'm gonna do the middle one. And this is more this one's more kind of like shimmery, and this shade right here, it's more glittery than shimmery, but this one's more shimmery and it feels a lot smoother. It Kind of feels like a blush. I'm not sure. It's probably what it is. And we're gonna do this shade right here. And there you go. So this shade, the pink one, the pink silver one, it's really more glittery than either of these two. These are more subtle and they're like more shimmery, towards this one is a lot more glittery. Now we're gonna swatch the lipstick and the lip gloss. This is the lipstick in Legendary. So this is how the lipstick looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you. So that's how that looks. And I thought it was gonna be more shimmery, but because it does have like a lot of glitter on the outside, but it's still a really pretty pink. And then we have the lip gloss, and this is a girl gloss, that's what it's called. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. To make this look pop a little bit more, I'm gonna go ahead and use this lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on. Alright, so that is it for this look. I really do enjoy this collection. I think it's really fun and pretty, and everything is really pretty. The packaging is pretty. Out of all the products, my favorite is definitely the eyeshadow palette and the lipstick. With the lipstick, at first I was kind of iffy about it because I'm not really a lipstick person, but this lipstick, it's super creamy and just goes on really good. It feels comfortable on the lips, and it feels like my lips are really moisturized. So definitely one of the lipsticks is one of my favorite items from this collection. The lip gloss, I think it's pretty. I didn't really try it on my lips, but it kind of reminds me of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And it even kind of like looks similar to it. So I do really like the Gloss Bomb. So I had to finish off the video using my phone camera, but I didn't really use this on my lips. I did swatch it and it's really pretty, so I'm probably going to be using this and seeing how it works out for me. I wanted to use the lipstick just because I just wanted to make the look pop out a little bit more. And the eyelashes, they are super pretty. When I looked at them before applying them on, I thought they weren't going to be as dramatic, but once I applied them on, they're super pretty and they have a really nice length. And I pretty much enjoyed all the products. I definitely think you guys should check out the products. I recommend all the collection. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video and it helped you guys choose what products you want to pick out from this collection. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll be back on my next video.